Howdy folks, welcome to Hawkmeyer Outdoors. On today's episode, we're going to continue our Making Money Off the Land series by cutting a little firewood. Y'all stay tuned. Alright folks, kind of give you a brief overview of what I'm doing. I'm cutting up hardwood trees that have been down for a few years after a logging company came through. I'm cutting up the tree tops out of those. So I'm primarily focused on hardwoods, oak, ash, cherry. I'm cutting up a sassafras right now. Just a mixture of different hardwoods, but primarily oak is what I'm selling. A lot of the maple and things like that have been down too long and they've rotted away and they're not good for burning now. Those you might not know, not just any wood is suitable for wood to burn in your fireplace at home, in your wood burning stove. What you're looking for is hardwood. Stuff like pine, it just doesn't burn as well, and it creates a lot of creosote in your chimney, which can be dangerous. So good hardwood, what you're looking for. Something that's well seasoned. You know, if you cut down a live oak right now and cut and split it, that wood probably wouldn't be ready for another 2 to 3 years before it's suitable to go in your fireplace or wood burning stove. So with this stuff I'm cutting, it's a little different scenario. I tell the people I'm selling it to that it's been down for 4 or 5 years and I'm just now cutting it up. It's for the most part dry. It's not completely seasoned, but I let the people know that before I sell it to them. remember my walnut video, making money off that. There's just something rewarding about being able to make a little bit of money doing something you like doing. I'm not going to get rich doing this, but I'm going to have a good time doing it. Sometimes that's almost worth more. Well, as y'all can see, the old T-Rex is filled all the way up. So it's time to head to the house. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Keep watching for more making money off the land videos. We got a few more planned. I'm either making money or spending money. So you all have a good night. Thanks for watching. If you want to like and subscribe, we'd appreciate it. Have a good one.